Hello. Okay, so we are going to be trying out the 2-minute cold brew AeroPress recipe. So I first heard of this from European Coffee Trip. They said that they got it from Alan Adler, the inventor of the AeroPress. So first thing that we'll need is some finely ground coffee. We'll need the AeroPress, the cap, one filter, some cold water, and that's it. Let's get to it. So first I'm just going to weigh out 15 grams of coffee. He recommends a Ethiopian Yogurchef. I've got a natural processed coffee here. Cool, 15 grams. Now I'm going to try and replicate the recipe as closely as I can, and I'm going to grind 8 clicks coarse. 6, 7, 8. Should be very fine. Okay, so now we're going to pop our filter in here, screw that on. Tear that out, and I'm just going to quickly get a stirrer. Okay, so we're back. Just going to pop this out. Alright, so we're going to put our 15 grams in. Just under, that's okay. I've got my stirrer, and we're going to put in 65. So they said 60 to 70, so we're going to put in 65 mils or grams of cold water. I've just got some ice cubes in here. That shouldn't affect anything because we're going to weigh it out. So it'll be in weight, not in volumetrics. And we're going to stir for 60 seconds. Let's go. And we're going to stir this. Now this is the AeroPress Go Stirrer. Alright, that's a minute. We do have a little bit down at the bottom, but that's okay. And we're just going to wait till it hits that 2-minute mark. And then we'll plunge. Slowly plunge. You will feel some resistance as you've got some very finely ground coffee, but that's okay. Just work your way down. Cool. Okay, smells nice. And we are going to dilute with some cold ice water. The recipe that I saw was not clear about how much water to use, but that's okay. We'll just kind of eyeball it and give it a taste. Let's try that. Wow, okay. So first impressions is that is quite sweet. It's almost like exactly like a cold brew, but that is actually really nice. Compared to a traditional AeroPress recipe served on ice, I would say that has a lot more going on, a lot more interesting flavors. One recipe to do, try it. Hope you enjoy it. Thanks so much to European Coffee Trip and Alan Adler for the recipe. And yeah, stay caffeinated, guys. I'm going to go and enjoy this cup of cold brew coffee.